Good morning, Wham! What's up, BLA? So I just showed you the three texts you're going to use, and you're going to answer the question and prove it with a quotation from each text and show how the books showed how they helped African Americans in America. Well, I'll just say African Americans because that's in America would be redundant. But I also, set up each quote, say from which book it's from, what page, and what it's saying about African American and how this hero helped African Americans and America in general as well. And you can, either one is fine. But I also, on the link, there's a little clue here, or a little sneaky way to do a good link. Because you're really showing a similarity between the three books when you're using three, and that's kind of what they ask for right now in MCAS. If they're asking for three texts compared, they usually want how they're similar. But in your link, right, or your, when you're wrapping it up, you could add the difference with a lot of voice. That would be a neat way to add some voice at the end, talk about a little difference between the three or two or the one. For instance, you could have two of them are about women, one is about a man. Also, though these people lived hard lives and spoke out against slavery, this one kind of was more active in her role. She was, you could argue that she was more heroic. I mean, that'd be tough because I think all of them are heroes. But Harriet Tubman certainly went into danger more. You got to give her that. She did. So she freed hundreds of slaves and was a spy for the army. I mean, pretty impressive stuff. So, make sure you use metal. If metal is supposed to help you. If you're having trouble using metal or the sheet that I'm going to give you that shows you how to line up and use my sentence starters, if that makes it harder for you, just kick back the question or TTQA, answer it, and then defend your answer and use a quote sandwich in there. All right, if that's an easier way for you to think about it, then add your clincher at the end. Do that. Whatever works. Metal is just a framework for you to answer everything that you have to analyze, you have to explain. Okay, if a quote sandwich grasps your brain better and you understand what that is, use that, please. Whatever works. Just really kick it back, answer the question, and defend it with textual evidence is really what we're talking about. All right. So have fun on your paper. I'll zip it so you can get to work. Bye.